Today I got some new slime. Very stretchy. I dropped some slime. It's okay, you can get back to it.
To the cold of the static and put my cold feet on the floor. Remembering, I'm pretending to be what